Guys, here's a dandy little steel trailer. This thing 8 foot long, 45 inches wide. Looks like it's made out of 3/16 steel. Diamond floor in it. It has got some pinholes rusted through here, but I doubt if that caused you any problems. If you just put an element in there, be good. All the sides are 24-inch sides. This is a stout little trailer. It's got springs under it. It's got 5-hole wheels. It's got steel fenders. It's got braces. The ball hitch. You'll need to put another hitch on here. This hitch is all the hitch is not there now. You can just unbolt that and put what kind of hitch you got on there. It's got a 2.5-inch tubular steel frame. This is a dandy little trailer now. Heavy little trailer.